Do you think this is a game, ma'am?
No, I'm just doing my job.
I also am doing my job. I also am doing my job, ma'am.
Driver's license and insurance card.
And you can address your questions to me.
Okay, well, I'm gonna need a valid driver's license and insurance card.
Okay, she can provide those.
What I'm gonna do is talk to you for just a minute here. You said you've had nothing to drink this evening.
Hello, officer.
Have you had anything?
Hello.
I'm not talking to you. Who are
I'm
you?
his attorney, sir.
Okay, well, he can talk to you after the traffic
He
stop,
has the right
man.
to have his attorney present during any questioning by police.
That's fine, but I'm not going to talk to you right now. All right, so what I'm going to need you to do is perform a couple steps or a couple tests for me, okay?
Field sobriety tests are
Yeah.
voluntary, sir.
Ma'am, I'm not
I'm
talking to
talking to
you.
my client.
I was told there's firearms in the house.
There is,
I'm
yes.
not comfortable with her going in there without us.
Okay.
In there. So if you're willing to step out, we can stay out and you just let her.
Is he going to be detained? Ask them if you're going to. Will you?
Am I going to be detained when I step outside?
No.
No.
Yes, sit on the chair right out.
There's a seat out here on the porch. I can sit. They say I can sit on the porch, but I won't be detained.
Okay. Yes.
Is that okay?
If they've agreed not to detain you if you sit on the porch. Correct? Okay.
Yeah.
Right. As long as you stay out here while she's inside getting her stuff, then we won't detain you.
Okay.
Is there an attorney?
Yes, I am.
Okay. So what we have is we had a road rage incident where somebody described a pistol with extended magazine was pointed at them from a vehicle that's here in the driveway. The people that are in the driveway, the police officers got here and saw them go into the house. And we want to try to confirm whether there's somebody in the house with an extended magazine pistol that was waving it at people or not. I explained to your client that, one, we could get his permission to look for that specific style weapon, or we could apply for a search warrant. But first, we would probably do a protective sweep of the home to make sure there's nobody in there pointing a gun at us right now. But that's where we're at.
Yes, sir. So, Mr. Ward, you understand that they don't have a right to search your home without a warrant, correct?
I told them they cannot enter the house without a warrant.
Well, there's a difference between entering the house and doing a protective sweep to make sure there's not somebody in there pointing a gun at me right now. We wouldn't be searching the house. We'd be first doing a protective sweep, making sure there's no other people in the house that would do us harm. Then after that, we would apply for a search warrant to search the house for evidence.
Yes, sir. But you understand that he doesn't have to give you permission to enter his home unless you have a warrant.
Correct. For searching it, the protective sweep, I believe there's plenty of case law saying that we can make sure there's nobody armed and dangerous in there waiting to hurt us. Again, not to search the house, but to enter for a protective sweep.
It is his private property, so unless you have a search warrant, you don't